True success is not just about high grades. It also means being mapanagutan or accountable for every action, good or bad.
Guys, 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 tingnan niyo to. Kinuha ko kanina ang sikiyabang oras mo. Makakapasa na tayo ng perfect score bukas.
Wait, Steph. That's panglalamang. I spent hours studying this lesson. It is not fair if you just copying answer.
Tama yan! Grades means nothing if you get them in the wrong way.
Exactly! Hindi tama yan. Paano naman ang iba natin na klase nag-aaral maayos?
Kapag ginawa natin yan, hindi tayo magiging panagutan sa ating sariling gawa.
Bahala kayo. Basta ako, gagawin ko na lang para makapasa agad.
Miss Reyes, collect all the
Okay, I will check the papers now. Results will be posted tomorrow. But remember, ang tunay na halaga ng tagumpay ay wala kung ito ay nakamit sa maling paraan. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, Ma'am Reyes. Hanap ko.
Tayo, pangit ang mga kasama natin.
Ingat-ingat.
Guys, I used the answer. I think I will get the score. But now, I feel so guilty. What if someone finds out?
That's the trouble with you. You get relieved but you never stop worrying.
And you didn't learn anything either.
That's exactly why you should be mapanagutan. You had an unfair advantage. Talalamang yun. You need to decide if it's secret or admit what you did.
Hindi madali pero mas mabuting harapin ang kahinatnan kaysa magdala ng konsensya habang buhay.
But if I tell the truth, baka bumagsak ako o mapagalitan ng malala.
Doing the right things takes courage, but it's always worth it.
And no matter what happens, we're here for you always.
That's being mapanagutan. Whatever happens, at least you faced it.
Kaya mo yan, Steph!
Lord, tulungan mo kong gawin ng tama.